Today we will be testing a 15-minute day trading strategy. If you are interested in a full list of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested along with their win rates, you can sign up for our Patreon. And you will receive a full list of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested. You can find a link to our Patreon down below. We also have a Patreon-only exclusive Discord channel. You can find a link below to join us on Discord. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a 15-minute day trading strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 138 different strategies, with 49 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 84% win rate. That is the Academy of Forex strategy with the Z-score probability indicator. We have also tested a total of 994 indicators, with 419 of them being winners. Now, keep in mind that we test most of these indicators and strategies on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Okay, so today we are testing a 15-minute day trading strategy. So the source video says that this secret indicator gives incredible signals before explosive price movement. So of course, we're going to put that to the test and see what we can get out of it. So let's go ahead and hide these two indicators here. The main indicator you're going to put on screen is going to be the revolution volatility bands here. So go ahead and add that to the screen and it will look like this right here. We'll keep all the settings on default. The next indicator you will add to screen is going to be the volume indicator. It's going to be the built-in TradingView volume indicator, this one right here. Once you add that to the screen, it will look similar to this. Go ahead and click on the settings and go to style and turn on the volume MA. So normally it looks like this. You're going to check it and it will look like this, giving us a moving average of the volume now. So setup on this is pretty easy. What we are looking for is first where the the revolution volatility bands, where they have this increase in the line weight. So you can see here, if I scroll back a little bit, you can see how the lines increase in their size. That's going to be a indication that we're getting a squeeze or consolidation into the market. Then we're looking for a breakout after that. So we're looking for price to break either above the top band or below the lower band. Once we get a breakout that's confirmed by the close of the candle, we're then going to look down at the volume indicator here. And we're looking for the bar of that candle to be above the moving average. So you can see here that this green bar is above the blue moving average. That's going to be our full signal to then enter a long position. We're going to put our stop right below the last swing, and we are going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward right about there. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see what we get. You can see that we make a really nice push pretty much straight up, getting us to our take profit. Let's go ahead and take a look at a short trade now. Alright, so for the short trade, you can see here that we have the increased line weight on the bands. And then right here, it's kind of hard to see, but we get a red candle that breaks out to the downside and closes below the lower band. And looking down at our volume, you can see that this red bar right here is above that blue moving average. That meets all the criteria we need for a short position. We're going to set our stop right above the last swing, and again we're going to target that 1 to 1.5 risk reward. Let's go ahead and play this one forward and see what we get. Alright, so that one definitely takes more time to get us to our take profit, but you can see that we steadily make this move to the downside here, eventually hitting that take profit right there. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are looking for a profitable trading strategy, I highly suggest you check out the best strategy that we have tested on the channel here. It was able to achieve an 84% win rate. I'll put a screenshot up of the thumbnail to that video right now. I'll link to it up in the corner, and I'll also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. like I said, it is a highly profitable trading strategy. Was able to achieve an 84% win rate. It uses one of our custom indicators that we've developed here on the channel, as well as a trading view indicator, and all around it is a wonderful trading strategy. I highly recommend you check that out. And so there is a lot of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel. I highly recommend it. All right, so let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. Out of those 50 trades, we got 16 winning trades and 34 losing trades, putting us at a 32% win rate. So not a great win rate. So with the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if on the winning side you were looking to gain $600 per trade, total would have been $9,600. On the losing side, you would have been risking $400, means you would have lost $13,600 altogether. On the losing side, which means that your total loss would have been $4,000 altogether. So definitely not the best strategy. Compare that to the Academy of Forex strategy. During the same period of time, we had 83 trades. We had 62 winning trades and 21 losing trades. Now that only puts us at a 72% win rate. But even with the 72% win rate, if on the winning side you were looking to gain that same $600, you would have gained $37,200. On the losing side, you would have been risking $780 because the risk is a little bit higher than the reward. But even with the offset risk to reward there, the loss would have been $16,380 for a total gain of $20,820. Now keep in mind that even with a more substantial risk to reward, so say you were risking 1.5 to 1, still be profitable. You can even go up to 2 to 1, a risk of 2 to 1 reward. It would still be profitable with the 72% win rate. And again, that's a lower win rate. Usually we're in the 80s. Now, if you're interested in the Academy of Forex indicator, you can get a free trial when you sign up for our Patreon down below. Once the free trial is over, it's only $15 a month to maintain access to it. Plus, you have to maintain your Patreon status. And so very cheap for an efficient, profitable trading strategy. Let's go ahead and go over the weekly trades. And so we are tracking the signals from the Academy of Forex strategy across these 4 Forex pairs and this one crypto coin. We're tracking them each week on the 30-minute time frame, the 30-minute chart. And so not this last week, but the week before that. I haven't done this week's yet. The Forex pairs had 7 trades, 7 winning trades with a 100% win rate, a total gain of $4,200. On the crypto coin, we had 4 trades, 2 winning, 2 losing, a 50% win rate. We would have lost $320. And so even with that loss there, we would have still gained $3,880 on the week. 3 weeks in a row, we'd have been profitable, putting us at $13,300 altogether. So when I say that you can earn tens of thousands of dollars within a matter of a few weeks, you can see here that it's rather easy with just a few Forex pairs and a small handful of trades each week. That's it for this strategy here. We are going to put this one on the no list and move on to the next video from here.